am angry and resentful at my dad because he died.
How old were you when your father died?
27. I'm 27. He died a few.
So as we talk about him, do you see pictures of him in your head?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he died, is that true?
Yeah.
And do you see pictures of him in your head?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he died, is it true?
He physically died. He physically,
and do you
I can't.
See him? Do you see a physical body in your? I'm just really inviting you to notice. Now see if you can follow this. Have you ever experienced yourself like you're in the kitchen and he's in his bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like when he was alive, he wasn't in the same room.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
But he was here.
Yeah. So he's alive, and you're in the kitchen, and he's in the bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens? How do you know he's in the bedroom when you're in the kitchen? You get the pictures of him in the bedroom.
Right.
And you think he's in the bedroom, and you believe the thought. And for all you know, he went to the market, and you have him in the bedroom.
Right.
Good.
Okay.
So you're in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Where does your father live?
In my thoughts.
Thank you. Now just sit with that a moment. So now, see if you can follow this one. He's standing in front of you. And where does he really live?
Still in my head.
Very good. So you have the thoughts, he's standing in front of you. Oh, I love him so much. He's so wonderful. He's so kind. He's so good. I'm so glad he's my father. And that is who is standing in front of you. So he is who you believe him to be. Or he's standing in front of you. And you look at him and you think, he's so unkind, he's not fair, why did he say that, he shouldn't think that, why does he do that, and he doesn't care about me, and on and on and on. And that is the man standing in front of you. So I like to say no two people have ever met. And people are who we believe them to be. No more, no less, nothing else is possible. So, as your father hits your head, if you've really done your work, in other words, question your thoughts about him, and you've really done that, when your father hits your head, your heart cracks open and it's a visit. It's like a visitation that you'll welcome every time. It's just like he's coming in for a visit. You get to watch your childhood with him all the way up. And if you have questioned your past with him, it is the dearest, dearest visit. And any unfinished business you have with him, he doesn't have to be alive for you to finish it. Because you work with your mind and love happens. Unconditional love happens. And all the wisdom that they brought to you and continue to bring, and you just begin to hear what you didn't hear before because your mind is clearing. So let's begin.